The number one reason why you're still skinny is because you think calorie deficit is going to help you or is going to benefit you. And I'm here to tell you that it's instantly going to kill your muscle gains. The reason for that is because muscles require calories to fuel. What you need to do is go on a calorie surplus, meaning going above your maintenance calories at least 200 to 300 plus. And if you don't know what your maintenance calories is, go on a website, go on Google and type in maintenance calorie calculator. From there, click whichever website you like to go and then put your information like your height, your weight, and etc. to determine your maintenance calories. Once you determine that, you go above 200 plus 200 or 300 calories above. And what I really suggest, my own opinion, is lean bulking. So it's basically where you eat a bunch of healthy food, healthy micronutrients like protein, carbs, fibers. You really need those essential nutrients for your body for your muscles to maximize its growth. I hope you really follow on this tip, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more daily content.